2, 3.
Don't take for Maddie. Untight.
That's as tight as it goes, kiddo. Maddie, not in your mouth.
Let's both count together.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hey, not for Maddie. No. You're taking from Maddie. Put those back. Put those back in front of Maddie. Thank you.
Let's count together again.
Excuse
You need
me.
to get some.
Let's count together again. 1,
2,
3. Oh, these are mine. These are mine. Ready, set, go! Ooh! I see bugs. Yeah. Like a ladybug.
Yeah.
There.
I know.
Do you want to lick it?
Good job, Maddie.
Ready, set, go! Here. Don't go yet. Don't do it yet, Daddy. Huh.
See Maddie in there?
Unsee me.
Because you're behind the camera. I'm recording it now.
No, I'm not.
I see you now.
I don't.
Well, we can watch it later and then you can see yourself. Okay?
Okay. Ready, set, go! Daddy.
Okay, Maddie, be careful by the steps, please.
I know you want rings.
Maddie, can you wave bye-bye? Maddie, say bye-bye. Grace, can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Maddie, bye-bye.
What is she doing?
She is walking too close to the steps.